When you package an Illustrator file and send it to someone, they'll need to have Illustrator on their machine to open the file. If your recipient doesn't have Illustrator or requests that you send a PDF, you can save your Illustrator document as a PDF file. The PDF file will look like the original Illustrator document and can even be used, if saved properly, to print your Illustrator project. The person you send the PDF to will only need a free PDF reader to view it. Using an Illustrator document you have, or this practice file, you'll discover how to create a PDF from an Illustrator document. If you open this practice file, you may see the missing fonts dialog box since this file uses an Adobe font. Access to the Adobe font library is included with your Adobe Creative Cloud membership. If you do see this dialog box, click Activate Fonts to fix the missing font. When the font is synced with your machine, you can click Close. To make sure you see the whole design, choose View, Fit All in Window. Okay, let's save this document as a PDF. To save it as a PDF, choose File, Save As. In the Save As dialog box, choose Adobe PDF as the file format. Change the name if you want, then click Save. In the Save Adobe PDF dialog box that appears, you can choose a preset from the Adobe PDF preset menu at the top, depending on what the PDF is for. For instance, if you're going to post the PDF on a website, you might want to choose the smallest file size option. You can also select a category from the list on the left and customize those specific options. In this case, you can leave all the options at their defaults and click Save PDF to save the file as a PDF. The PDF file is now open in Illustrator. Saving an Illustrator document as an Adobe PDF allows you to send your Illustrator documents to anyone with a free PDF reader. Now you can save your own documents as PDF and send them to others for viewing, printing, and a whole lot more.